kom si benta man rakhi ya ka yam lek man Christmas hakan ni kasam arja ra pulai ke pen khre ki pai ba na karana ya chakman baru kom si benta man rakhi ya kan kasngi na kalyang jang ka JN Suzuki moblai kabri ke shlam di thuk thuk arshaka haka khan ritu na pra arja pulai kala penlong ya kiting ya karel na ki thuk thuk ke badai na ka hi ka company ke jul tep ka Christmas carol ride ya di ka jiya kalau sedang na moblai bala ya leng ba ka laim khra dan keti khandai la ka bala penkut biang ha moblai khani kasi lawan yo shimata kamba arphongot ei kentup ki don tuk tuk Suzuki bat kui pat ki lawan shimata lang hakani ki jingda keman ki kentup yo adjazak ubrang away ni ki radio juki papa go jalla han gat kenam play ketei keslam penwi lani di tuk tuk
I am the Compresti and Baldin, whom we call him as Mama. They have put all the efforts on making this happen, this rally, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, they couldn't be here. But I will bring them, especially Compresti, the few words through WhatsApp. And they are the two wheels of J. Suzuki who have driven this ship for the last 4 years. We are running the 5th year, and it has been successful because of the hard work and their effort. We believe that we'll have a good time with you all. We'll enjoy this ride. We'll start from here, and we'll have different stoppages where we'll brief you about it. And we'll have a good time. We have a special person here with us whom everybody knows, everybody has heard about him. There are many followers, there are many who listen to him in the houses, in our cars, is none other than RJ Zach. So he will give him a big clap. Okay, about the ride, and he will tell you what are the things that we're going to do. After that, I'm going to tell you how we will proceed.
All fellow Suzukians who are here, a very good morning, and on behalf of JS Suzuki, we welcome you to this gathering, and it's a Christmas caroling, and we hope that this Christmas will bring us joy, and especially will bring us closer to the Suzuki family. And we welcome each and every one of you. And I'm going to start from, I'm going to share with you the route. We're going to start from here, Mobley, and go towards Latukra, then Dhankiti, then Barak, Civil, IGP, then Police Bazaar. In Khindailat, we're going to halt there, and we're going to have just few activities, interactive sessions as well. And then after that, we're going to proceed to from Dhaba towards Molo, then Golfing. From Golfing towards Mauro. At Golfing, we're going to have lunch and few activities at Golfing. And after that, we're going to proceed to Mauro to Maulai to Moristan bus to Thankiu Petrol main road. Then from Maulai Petrol Pump, we're going to proceed to Garkhana. From Garkhana towards Serpong Point towards Civil. And then Barak, Dhankiti, St. Edmunds. From Edmunds, towards North Mine, then back here in the showroom. And there are few rules and regulations, so we would like to see things be done in uniform and with respect each and everyone who are here. So we request all riders to kindly follow the van. We're gonna have 2 lines of bikes so that we will not create a long line and there'll be less add on to the on traffic jams are already there. So just in case for the smooth flow, we would like to have 2 lines of bikes, okay? And there will be the speed limit will be as per the van who is heading the carol, the sledge is over there. And we request the bikers, as we are all here, all of us are mature bikers, so we will know, like you know how to follow the rules and regulations as well, and you know how to ride, and you're all experienced, you know. So I don't think so that we will have to share the basic ethics of riding, like no overtaking and all that. You know the rules, so we respect that. You know that we need to follow and adhere to these, so that we're gonna have a peaceful and a loving experience, especially in this with this Christmas caroling organized by JN Suzuki.